Artificial intelligence, another name of AI. Artificial intelligence or AI is the ability of machines to think and learn like humans. It can help solve problems faster than people. AI is used in smartphones to recognize voices and faces. It helps in self driving cars to make safe decisions on the road in hospitals. AI can help doctors find diseases quickly. Many businesses use AI to understand their customers better. AI is also used in games to make them more fun and challenging. It can translate languages to help people communicate. AI is used in robots to perform tasks automatically. With AI, our life is becoming easier and smarter every day.